Making money online in 2025 is no longer just a dream, it is a reality. Whether you are looking to earn a side income or replace your 9 to 5 entirely, I've got you covered. In this video, I will reveal 7 legit websites available worldwide that are helping people just like you earn money online every single day. No scams, no country restrictions, just real ways to make money. And do stay for the last website because it's a well-known website, but at the same time it could be your breakthrough for 2025. So make sure you stick around till the end. Oh, and one quick favor, if you enjoy discovering practical ways to making money online, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification. Let's be honest, 2025 is shaping up to be the year of opportunities. But with so many websites and platforms out here, it's easy to get lost. That's why I have done the heavy lifting for you. I've handpicked 7 incredible platforms that are only accessible worldwide, but also cater to different interests, whether you are into watching videos, playing games, or even writing. By the end of this video, you will have actionable steps to start earning right away. No matter where you live, if you are ready, let's dive in. Starting off with the list is yucubez. In 2025, video content is everywhere, so why not get paid to watch it? With yucubez, you can earn money simply by watching video ads and interacting with content. The more you watch, the more you earn. It is that simple. The best part, it's available worldwide and payouts are made via PayPal. This means you can start earning no matter where you are. And since you're probably watching this video on YouTube, why not double up your screen time and make some cash while you are at it? Stick with me because the next platform is just as exciting. Next up is Triaba. This is a survey platform that's perfect for sharing your opinions in exchange for cash. With over 90 countries covered, this site is one of the most globally inclusive platforms in 2025. Here's how it works. You sign up, answer some simple questions, and get paid. Payments are made through PayPal or gift cards, and surveys are usually short and sweet. So if you are someone who loves giving feedback, this could be your new side hustle. But don't go anywhere yet, there's more to explore. Let's talk about Like for Like. This is a platform that pays you for something super simple: liking, following, and subscribing on social media. In 2025, social media engagement is everything and businesses are willing to pay for it. Like for Like gives you credit for engaging with content, and those credits can be converted into real cash. Whether you're scrolling through Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook, you can monetize your activity in minutes. If you love writing, the next platforms are perfect for you. For all the writers out there, check out Vocal Media and Medium Partner Program. In 2025, writing online isn't just about expressing yourself, it is about making money. On Medium and Vocal Media, you get paid based on how much time readers spend on your articles. Whether you are sharing stories, how-tos, or opinion pieces, you can start earning a steady income. Plus, it is available worldwide. If you are passionate about writing, this is your time to shine, but don't go anywhere. The next platform is for people who like to play games. Rewarded Play is an app that lets you earn rewards simply by playing games that you love. Rewarded Play allows you to download popular games, complete tasks or levels, and earn points that can be redeemed for gift cards and PayPal cash. It is straightforward, beginner-friendly, and available in many regions worldwide. So if gaming is your favorite pastime, you can turn it into a side hustle. But also you can use Mistplay. It is another amazing website for people who love to play games. The only issue with Mistplay is that it's not available worldwide. But if you can download Mistplay and use it, then I will recommend that compared to Rewarded Play. Don't go anywhere yet because the next platform is for content creators. Content creation has taken the world by storm, and in 2025, there are 2 giants you should definitely leverage. These 2 apps are available worldwide, but they also pay worldwide: YouTube and Facebook. First, let's talk about YouTube. This platform continues to dominate the online world and it's not just for big influencers anymore. Whether you are creating how-to videos, vlogs, or gaming content, YouTube provides opportunities to monetize through ads, sponsorship, and memberships. And the best part, it is available worldwide and of course, it pays worldwide. With consistent posting and engaging content, you can grow your channel and start earning steady income. Next up is Facebook. Facebook is the second app that pays worldwide, whether you live in Africa, Asia, or Europe. And on Facebook, it offers multiple ways to earn money as a creator, from in-stream ads on videos to fan subscription and even selling products via Facebook shops. This platform is a goldmine for creators. It is ideal for short-form videos, community building, and live streams. So if you ever dreamed of turning your creativity into a paycheck, YouTube and Facebook are the perfect starting point. Finally, we have eyeem, the ultimate platform for anyone that has a phone and can take a picture in 2025. Whether you are a pro or just someone who loves snapping photos, eyeem lets you upload and sell your work to brands and businesses worldwide. They will handle the licensing for you, so you don't have to worry about the technical stuff. All you need to do is focus on taking amazing photos on your phone or on a camera, and eyeem will take care of the rest. It is incredible because you can sell the same photo over and over again. There you have it, 7 legit websites to making money online in 2025 that are truly available worldwide. From watching videos to selling your creativity, there is something for everyone on this list. So which platform are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts, and if this video gave you any value, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell.